Hello everybody. Now in the previous video about tire pressure monitoring systems, I showed you a video which was in Hindi, and because this particular tutorial is meant for international students also, I want to show you some more videos which are presented in English so that everybody can understand. Okay, here I go.
Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Keys Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at keysmotorsports.com. In today's video, brought to you by TireBuyer.com, we're going to tell you everything you need to know about TPMS. TPMS stands for Tire Pressure Monitoring Systems, and it consists of these little sensors that go in each of your wheels, and what they're going to do is they're going to tell your car what the current pressure of each tire is. Now, the reason why this is so important is having your tires properly inflated is going to give you the best performance, the best fuel economy, it's going to reduce blowouts, and it's going to extend your tire's life. Now, according to Schrader, a TPMS manufacturer, underinflated tires cause about 250,000 accidents per year, and they waste about 3.5 million gallons of gas per day. Now, the way the TPMS work are typically once they see a 25% reduction in tire pressure, they're going to illuminate a light on your dash. Now, the reason that you never want to solely rely on that is 25% is a lot, so you always want to make sure that you're periodically checking your pressure. Now, if you're not sure what pressure to set your tires at, all you need to do is look in the driver's door jamb, and there should be a sticker there that's going to tell you the exact PSI. As an example, here's a shot of one fully installed on a BMW M3 rim. Because of an act called the Transportation Recall Enhancement Accountability and Documentation Act, also known as TREAD, all cars in the United States sold after September 2007 have TPMS mandatory from the factory. So, in other words, if your car is from 2008 or newer, there's a really good chance that your car already has them installed. Now, the easiest way to check this is to simply turn on your car, and if you see an icon that looks like this, you have TPMS. If you've had your car for over 5 years, it may be time to replace your TPMS sensor, as they typically last about 5 to 10 years. Now, as we can see from this example, it is a sealed unit, so unfortunately, you can't replace the battery, and sometimes there's seals that go bad. So at that time, it's typically a good idea to replace the entire sensor. For more information on TPMS and for the best prices on tires, be sure to visit TireBuyer.com with code KEYS5. Once again, this is Brian. Thanks so much for watching Keys Motorsports. I hope you liked today's video. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at keysmotorsports.com. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.
Welcome to AutoMate. I'm Luke. In this video, I'm covering tyre pressure monitoring systems, the components and their operation. The tyre pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, is a system that indicates and/or warns the driver that a tyre or tyres have lost pressure. These systems can be a direct or indirect type. The rolling diameter of a tyre can be calculated from wheel speed sensor information. If a change in pressure occurs, the rolling diameter of the tyre will alter. An indirect system will interpret this change in rolling diameter as a deflating tyre. Monitoring will only take place when the vehicle is proceeding in a straight line and within a specific speed range. Another TPM system is the direct type. This type of tyre pressure system has individual tyre pressure sensors located inside the tyre and a part of the tyre valve itself. Each sensor sends a unique radio frequency signal to a receiver unit. The unit calculates the tyre pressure and can display the information. If the system senses a reduction in pressure in one or more tyres, a warning will be generated. This is a sample of the hundreds of training videos we have available, covering everything from technical fundamentals, diagnostic procedures, equipment, and wiring diagrams. AutoMate is simply the best training available, so why not join us today, start training, and be the best technician you can be.
Now I'll show you one more video which will give you a very clear-cut idea about this TPMS.
Did you know that most vehicles 2008 or newer are legally required to have a tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS? Well, this system makes it easier for drivers to be aware of low tire pressure that may be unsafe. Well, how does it work, you might say? Well, TPMS uses a wheel-mounted sensor that communicates the current tire pressure in each tire via radio waves to the vehicle's onboard computer. Now, this is important because low tire pressure may result in poor vehicle handling, reduced brake efficiency, poor fuel mileage, even possible tire failure. Now, there are two methods used to warn drivers of low tire pressure. And the first one uses a solid amber light to indicate tire pressure has dropped 25% below what the manufacturer recommends, but it does not specify the tire location. Now, if this light begins flashing, the TPMS is malfunctioning and immediate attention is required to repair the system. The second method features a diagram of a vehicle and shows pressure by each tire location. In a low pressure situation, the diagram indicates which tire is underinflated. Now, do I need to maintain my TPMS system? Oh yes. Tire pressure sensors are powered by tiny little batteries, and when they fail, the sensor itself must be replaced. TPMS sensor valves also wear out, and they may become corroded over time. And servicing TPMS valves during tire replacement or repair helps to ensure their proper operation, and it'll extend their life. Proper tire inflation not only saves you money through better fuel mileage and longer tire life, it's also vital for safe driving. So by all means, if you see your TPMS light come on or flash, take your vehicle into your service professional right away.
Hope all of you got a very clear-cut idea about what is meant by tire pressure monitoring system, what are the advantages of tire pressure monitoring system, and if tire pressure is not properly monitored, what are the disadvantages. Okay, thank you.